Naomi Home presents the Evelyn Fabric Rolling Cabinet Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This rolling cabinet comes as shown with 2 fabric drawers that store away your stationery supplies. To get started, connect part number 6 onto part number 2. Use 2 C-screws to secure them in place. Next, connect part number 6 onto part number 1. Use 2 C-screws to secure them in place. Now use 4 B-bolts to attach part number 3 onto part number 1 and 2. Place part number 5 under part number 1 and 2. Use 4 A-bolts to attach part number 5 in place. Gather your front and rear wheels. The front wheels have a switch. When the switch is down, the wheels are locked. When the switch is up, the wheels can move freely. Place the front wheels in the front of parts number 1 and 2 and the rear wheels in the back. Use the included wrench to tighten the wheels into parts number 1 and 2. Expand part number 8. Now, insert part number 7 into part number 8. Attach the drawer handle onto part number 8 using 2 E-screws. Expand part number 9. Now insert part number 7 into part number 9. Attach the drawer handle onto part number 9 using 2 E-screws. Connect both parts number 4 onto part number 9 using 4 E-screws. Gently slide the fabric drawer boxes into the cabinet. And there you have it, your Evelyn Fabric Rolling Cabinet is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.